Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money. I told you guys to for those that are in my Telegram group and WhatsApp group, I told you guys to rush and register this Kaichain. Okay, this is a blockchain on its own, so I don't play with this kind of projects. Do you understand? Everybody knows that any project like this, I don't joke with it. The reason is because those are people that come or came into cryptocurrency to solve one problem or the other, and that kind of projects do well after listing. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how you can fund your account because they are on the pre-sale right now, and I deposited $100 to my MCXC account. Okay, so I'm going to use the money to buy the pre-sale. Okay, if you want to join, you can use the link in the description to join and do the way we are doing here. What we do here is to share with you the legit update that will help you grow. Okay, you are the one that will decide whether to follow us or not. Okay, so once you come to this place, you can do some research. You can come to this place and read some things here. Okay, but because of time, I'm going to go straight to the point. Okay, I'm going straight to the point. So once you register, registration is very simple. Once you use the link in the description, you can register, and after registration you will come to this fund wallet here. So once you click on fund wallet, and the next thing to do is to fill the details. Okay, fill your details, like enter the amount you want to buy. So let me just say, if you want to buy like $100 worth. Okay, so what you are going to do is to enter the $100. Then here you are going to enter your email here. Then you should choose the chain. Okay, you can use BNB Binance Smart Chain, or you can use USDT Binance Smart Chain. So I'm making use of USDT Binance Smart Chain. So I click on deposit after that. So after that, you can see what they said here. Payment information, waiting for your fund. That's a total 100.050000, and it should be BEP20. Okay, it should be BEP20 USDT. So we are going to do everything right now, and you can see that the time left, this is for the first phase. Okay, they have second phase, which you know that the price will keep increasing. Okay, that's the reason why I decided to make this video right now, so that you can join us and make money together. So if I want to um purchase this, what I supposed to do is to enter this 100.05 USDT BEP20. So I'm going to either I copy this link, okay, or I can. So once I click on copy, then I'm going to my MEX exchange. Okay, so I come to this exchange right now. So you can see I deposited money just to do this here, because I'm going to make use of this exchange. So I click on this wallet. Okay, so once you click on wallet, then you click on spot here. So once I click on spot, you can see the money I deposited as theta. Okay, I click on that. So once I click on that, the next thing to do, you can see deposit, withdraw, and transfer. I click on withdraw. So I'm going to click on on-chain withdrawal. So I click I understand. Then I'm going to enter the address here. Then I'm going to select the network. Please make sure you don't make mistake here. We are going to make use of this BSC. That's a BEP20 chain. Okay, that's a BNB chain. So I click on that. You can see it, don't make any mistake. Make sure you make use of that. So I come to withdrawal quantity. I'm going to enter 100.05. Okay, so I'm going to I'm going to leave this and click on confirm here. So you can see you cross check everything here to make sure you are in the right track. So after that, you click on this confirm withdraw. So I'm going to use my key. Okay, I'm going to do it. After that, I'll come back and see that the transaction was successful. Okay, this is the $100. That's the reason why you should add transaction fee. Okay, gas fee. So that's the thing, that's the 0.5. Okay, so once you do it that way, you are going to get your $100, $200, $300 in your account. Okay, so the next thing to do now is to activate this. Okay, to activate this, so what you should do first is to copy your username here. So after copying your username, then you come to this three line here. So once you click on the three line, you can see fund activation. Okay, fund slash activation. So you click on that. Okay, so once you click on that, you click on user activation. Okay, so once you click on user activation, then you paste your username right here. So once you click on username, you can see valid. That's because the username is valid. That's mine. Or if I click on this, you can see that it's invalid because that's not my username. So you can see valid. So the next thing to do is to click on activation. Okay, I click the amount which is I entered, that's $100. So I click on activate. So you can see user ID successful activated. Okay, so the next thing is to go back. Let me check. Let's go to dashboard. You can see that I have 2500 Kaichain. Okay, and this is going to be transferred to me once the pre-sale is over. Okay, then we are going to do the calculation. Sorry, so we are going to do the calculation right now. Okay, so let's go to my calculator. Okay, this coin is trading at 0. Okay, the pre-sale is at 0.04 right now. Okay, and this is going to be phase 1, phase 2, okay, or phase 3. Sorry. So let's just say at this amount right now, and once you are in the phase 2 or phase 3, it's going to be like 0.6 here, because it's going to be doubling. Okay, and you can see I'm at the profit right now. Maybe they are went to like that's because the more the day is going by, is the same way the coin will be so or too expensive. So that's the reason why you should rush now and do what others are doing. Okay, so like let me just say here that the coin launched with $1. Okay, one, if this coin launched with $1, because it's going to pump even more than $1, according to my research. Okay, and I'm going to do the second of this video. I'm going to do another one where I will explain everything about this. The reason why I'm doing this right now is just to share with you what you should do, and I'm going to drop the write up on everything, how I'm doing everything here. Okay, so make sure you check the description for the write up and everything. So let's just say if this coin eventually launch at $1, you can see that automatically I'm getting 2500 dollar right here. Okay, because this is a blockchain, this is going to be massive, it's going to be super massive. Okay, then let's just say it's launched, because you can see the price, the pre-sale price at 0.04, and you know that is the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4 is going to be available, and from that phase to let's just say the final phase, let's just say that the final phase might be 0.1 here. Okay, you can see that I'm even on profit, okay, even when the pre-sale is going on, I'm even on profit. Okay, so let's just say like if they launch at 0.6, okay, multiplied by, that's a 2500, I'm making $1500 with $100. Okay, if you minus, let's just say you minus the $100, I'm still at huge profit of 1,400. So this is how everyone make money in this system. Okay, those that have the information on time, this is how they make money in this system. So make sure that you join right now. Please, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research before you invest. Okay, the reason why I'm investing $100 is because I did my research, and I trust that with time this coin is going to be so loud. Okay, so you can follow my step, or you can do your own research. Okay, if you want to register, the link to register is in the description. Please make sure you make use of the referral link in the description, so that you will get the right um the right project link. Okay, so I'm going to come back here again, because I'm going to, the way I plan to buy this is that I want to keep buying this like um every 4 days. I'm going to be topping up. Okay, I'm going to be topping up because I'm seeing this coin. Okay, I'm seeing this going viral very soon. Okay, so you can see that. And another thing I want to tell you here is that you can even activate for anybody. Once you enter that person, once you recharge, and the money is going to be in your active, okay, in your wallet, okay, in your wallet, your phone wallet, then you can activate for anybody. It's very simple. The way we did right now, you can activate for anybody. So once you use the link in the description, it's going to get you to the sign up. Okay, once you get to sign up dashboard, you sign up, you use your metamask. Okay, your metamask, you are going to use your metamask, copy your ETH. Okay, once you copy it, you can use it to set your account first, because that's where they will send your token to. Okay, so see you guys at the top. Keep winning and keep making your family proud.